I got nothing to tell.
Hey, keep singing.
Don't go down there.
I'm going down there. We have to go this way.
Why? To the home?
I don't know where this goes, actually. Maybe you were right, where we are getting lost.
Yeah. I don't know. I just can go home now.
You can go home now?
Yeah. No.
I think we should.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, no.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I'll go.
Let's go.
No.
No what?
I want to go home.
Oh, great. All right, let's go this way. Hi, Miss Julie's face. What are you doing? Wish I had some water right now. I said I wish I had some water.
Huh?
I'm horribly thirsty doing this.